Hi everybody, this is a warm welcome from Nitin Dayal Singh, General Manager for Ori's Cyber Pearl unit to all the Hyderabadi customer. I welcome them to Ori's Cyber Pearl. Now you are having a look, this is a restaurant named Nautanki Gali. Now this is a resto bar with a lunch and dinner buffet. This is the city's biggest buffet restaurant we are serving and with a very unique experience. Nautanki Gali, the name seems very, comedy names. But this is what you see in the small towns. This gully and the restaurant has been, designed in the manner where people can have the buffet with a very, very unique experience. Now there's a fine dining experience which is serving a buffet. We have got sittings of like chai manjil, we have got a saloon sitting, we have got a tailor sitting, we have got an auto sitting which is one of its kind in the city. We have got Bartan Bazaar, we have got cycle shop where you can sit and enjoy a buffet with your family, with your team, with your friends. Now, Oris were due to come in Hi-Tech City from a long time. It was on public demand that, like we are the oldest group in the city serving restaurant in the restaurant business. Very, very famous in the commodity of Hyderabadi people. It was a long time demand of the people to come to Hi-Tech City and to have few restaurants out here so that they don't have to go so far to Banjara and Jalvia. This on the public demand, public enthusiasm, we have come down to Hi-Tech City, and thanks to the Hyderabadi people, they have given us a very overwhelming response here. Cafe Loaf is basically a coffee shop. It's basically the music is a soft rock music out there. It's a coffee shop of thing which you can find in most of our Ori's restaurant, more ice cream which we serve. And with our specialty dishes like chole bhatures and sandwiches and burgers and pizzas. So that's basically a coffee shop which is there. And we have got one more restaurant which is Rubaiyat. Now it's a Persian ambience serving specialty North Indian and Peshawari cuisine, one of its kind in Hyderabad. The dishes have been specifically chosen throughout India, and the dishes which you check in Rubaiyat you'll not see in any of the restaurant in the Hyderabad. We are one of the oldest restaurant chain in the city. We have got near about 25 restaurants in the city, starting from Hotel Basera to Bashir Bagh to Banjara to Jalvihar. We have got Tansen and 70mm. So we are one of the oldest. We have got 3 in Bangalore also. So we are one of the oldest chain in Hyderabad. Our head office is in Hotel Basera, which is in Sikandrabad. Now this is one of the co-branches of the same group. The prices right now is a very cheap price. We are pricing at 199 plus tax. It's one of the cheapest price of the city with the biggest buffet of the city which we are serving to them. There are about 56 dishes we are serving, including soups and starters and salads and the main course. Near about 56 items we are serving in the buffet. It's including veg and non-veg both. Like we are almost expanded in all the parts of the city, including Amirpet, Panjagutta, Bashir Bagh. Now we have come to Hi-Tech City and only I think Shamshabad area is left. So hopefully we'll be shown in Shamshabad area also. Now that was a concept by Mr. Ravi Ori individually, which he should take the onus of that. There was a plan to, when you go to gullies type of thing, you will see something like a machan, where people will sit and have some chaat type of item. So that tree was specifically idolized by Mr. Ravi Ori, and the tree, as you can see, it looks like a natural tree, but it's an artificial tree. And round the tree we have made a counter of chaat and soups and starters, basically titbats what you call, so that people can have the ambience of the tree and they can enjoy the charts and all that. See, this restaurant has got a very, very great response from the Hyderabadi people because of the variety which we are serving in the buffet, and one of its kind of its ambience in India, you can say. This is one of its kind in India. This type of ambience, nobody has made it yet, and people are really, really getting mad about that. It's 12 o'clock to 3:30 and then again 7 o'clock to 11:30 is the buffet timings for us.